Welcome. In front of me is a POCO Pad M1, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this tablet. So, to get started, you'll want to open up the content that you wish to capture, which for me will be the home screen that is already open and visible on my screen. Once whatever you want to capture is visible on your screen, simply hold the power button and the volume down at the same time, like so. You get this flash along with the pop-up. First time around, you do get a quick little info of what these two options that are visible here will do. So tap to make a scrolling screenshot, which isn't available right here. That's why it's grayed out. There's nothing really to scroll down on here. It'll be available to you in, for instance, something like web browser, where you can just continuously keep scrolling down. And the second one is send or share. Now this kind of arrow with the instruction only shows up once, and then from there you'll only have this pop-up that you've seen right here just vanish a second ago. Now when it vanishes, you can find the actual screenshot in your gallery application. Now let me just go back. So typically it would be located right here in the Photos tab, which will contain your screenshots. But there is a better way to locate your screenshots later on down the line, and that would be by going into the collections. And in collections, you'll find an album called Screenshots and Screen Recordings. Click on it and make sure you have the tab Screenshots selected right here. And in here, you'll find only screenshots and nothing else, which makes it super easy to find whatever you might be looking for. There we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.